what was I gonna say? It's been a while since I made like these like TA videos and stuff. So going back, I think I made like 2 weeks ago. I basically predicted that I was still bearish to Bitcoin to like 56K and even lower than that. We actually did hit my first target, right? My first target on Bitcoin was I think like 49K, like 49 something, right? And it hit. I wanted to focus this video more on SPY. Because my target today did hit a 529.56, basically to the T, right? You can essentially see I had this target here and it hit perfectly to that 529.56, right? So you're still trading above mid channel, right? So this is essentially what I have right now. You can see my channels here on SPY, right? There you go. These are my channels, right? If you want to learn how to trade the channels, all that good stuff, again, join the Patreon, right? I'll put the description, the link is in like the bio somewhere around here. I don't know. You got to find it. I'm not really good at posting it. But as of right now, I am looking for a, not necessarily a drop, but not a break under this 519.38 level, right? I'm looking for SPY to not break that level, right? And I'm looking for this to essentially just pop off of this and keep pushing all the way to the upside. This is the last level that I do think that we actually have right now. You know, if this actually breaks, right, to the low side, I do think that we're going to head lower. I do think that if we break to the low side, right, under 519, I think we're going back to 509, and potentially the next target would be 492. So I am 100% bullish right now to 437, right? That's my next level here. Let me double check this for real. We have the 4, and then we have here. Yeah, so my next target right now, as of right now, is 537. But we need to maintain above this 519.38. If at any point I see any break under this, right? If I get any break under this level, I will 100% be bearish, right? To that back down to 509. And if we do touch 509 again, there's a very high chance that you keep dumping all the way down to this 492 channel level right here, 492.76. So again, not really too much of a, you know, not too much of like a huge like TA video, but as of right now, you are looking a little bit more on the bearish side, right? As far as like the bias, right? As far as like the momentum, you can see that we did close a perfect entry on the 4 hour right here, pushed up and came back down. Usually on this 4 hour entries, right? You would have longed right here at 522. Obviously, you would have longed easily Monday. It would have hit your target on 529 today, right? And then you would have sold, obviously, when it hit your target. But what I want to see ideally is I want to see this break of channel, because you do have a channel right there, right, that I want to break to the upside, right? That's basically what I want. I want this channel to break, push up a little bit, fill that gap, maybe retest here somewhere, and then go back up to 534 and 537. So really, bias is looking a little bit more to the bear side, but I can't really confirm the bias yet until we start breaking under this 519.38 level. So I'll see you guys later. I'm pretty bullish right now on the SPY. The bias is starting to look a little bit more on the bear side, but we'll see. Any break under here, right? Any break under this level, we're going back down to 509. If we stay above here, I think next level or next target is going to be this 537. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.